Hi guys, today is our last tutorial of beginner guide of AliExpress to Shopify dropshipping. So now our store is ready. Now we have to market these products. First of all, we select these products for our Facebook ads or AdWords ads. So we will have to change its title and description to make it more engaging. We will go to products, then all products. We will select any product from here and we will change its title and description. Also change its prices if you want spend higher to you should change the price to somewhat higher. You set to $15 with free shipping. These are the offers you can offer. I have also attached a document in which I will explain all the things: what is niche store, what is journal store, how to find a winning niche and products. Also I explained how to run a Facebook ads. All things explained very clearly in this all guide. I am giving you this free, like this live case study. I will share with you that if you sell dog LED collar with less set, wholesale cost is equal to $5. Retail is 24.95. Your gross profit is $20, and you spend $10 on each sale. Net profit, and you sell 250 harness. You 25 per week. Monthly profit potential 10,000. This is the case studies I share with you. How to Facebook ads for beginners. Everything is clearly explained in this whole guide. Also your common questions and answer. These are also answered. These are the few stores I taken randomly and give them some suggestions. Instagram marketing tips. In order to sell, you need to be good in right product, right audience, right advertising, right copywriting, right. These things should be good if you want to sell more and more products. Please read this guide and follow each steps which I discuss with you. I hope you will like this small tutorials and full guidance. If you need any guidance or any questions, you can ask me anytime. I am always there to help you. So for this, good luck.